right? 30 kilometers. You can see the different convert. Right now, you can see the Mekong quite shallow. And then, what about for the big river? Right, the big river that we call Mekong River. The Mekong River start from Himalayan mountain. Now start from Himalayan mountain, pass to 6 countries, right? Pass to China, Myanmar, Laos, Thailand, Cambodia, and Vietnam, right? This Mekong River pass, and then you can see the local boat.
And where is
the local boat, right?
River. Left hand side here, you can see the big Buddha image in Lana style. Lana style. Up here is when we count it in Thai, 110,100,000 แสนล้านคนตัวที่3ของวันนี้ของ river right hand side here the left hand side we call Ruok River called Ruok River but Mekong River from China from here to the part of China 265 kilometers จริงของเรา12 พันนาOkay. The right hand side here.
Okay. So now it's time for music.
Bring the set like this, and then you let it one night. Tomorrow you can collect. This one is like the milk. It's a wine. Milk. One